If you haven't seen Dave McKeegan's latest video about the Equinox problem, you should.
The mount doesn't know what it's looking at. It's got no clue. And leaving it running overnight, the camera will be pointing at the ground. On a globe, that's fine. The camera will still technically be pointing towards the sun, it's just that the Earth is now in the way of it. For any other Earth, though, it makes absolutely no sense.
The best part? It's basically what I've been saying all along. Dave McKeegan explains it from the point of view of a professional photographer, whereas I explain it from the point of view of, like, history, geometry, and astronomy. But it's the same family of concepts. The sun clearly goes below eye level, which forces us into that ancient dilemma. Either the whole world experiences sunset at the same time because the sun travels underneath it, or the definition of eye level is relative because it's a sphere. Well, if you and I had no preconceptions, we would probably arrive at an ancient flat Earth model of believing that the sun traveled below sea level. Because that's the most direct implication of what we observe.
Sure.
Robotham was the father of the modern flat Earth movement, and the first person in history to make a serious, persistent claim that the sun stays above eye level 24/7, 365. So, Flatzoid, I want you to answer 3 challenges. Number 3, I measured the sunset and proved it goes beneath us. If you disagree, then explain where I went wrong. That's why astrophotographers often put their telescopes on a special mount called an equatorial mount. Even though up and down are defined differently for every region on Earth, every astronomer in the world who is using an equatorial mount right now has it oriented the exact same way, along Earth's axis. Where does the sun go at night? For 10,000 years, humanity has known the answer. Down, below the horizon. It's obvious. You'll notice this basic observational fact agrees with both the globe and all ancient flat cosmologies. That sun cannot be moving away from the camera due to perspective. This evidence makes that obvious.